Hello everyone, it's me Sudeep from New Learners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download XAMPP on your Windows. I will also provide download link on description and comment section, so don't forget to check out that also. To download XAMPP, you can just select any version from here. For now, I will select this version where I can download XAMPP 3.3 and which is the best version for now. So I will just click on download, then it will start downloading. Once the download is completed, let's start the setup, and this is what it look like. Then you just need to check if this all are selected and just click on next. Then here you can select where you want to save your XAMPP file, then just click on next, then language and next, then next. And now it will take some time to install XAMPP on your system, so let's wait for some time. Finally, after a long time, it has been installed. Now let's click on finish, then it will be automatically open, and here you can see XAMPP has been installed. The version is 3.3. now let's test it if it is working or not. I will open this too, and let's go on Google and check if it's working or not. And here you can see I have searched localhost and it's working, and this is what we download. Now let's check if MySQL is working or not. Let's go on phpMyAdmin, and here you can see it is also working. This is how you download XAMPP on your server. Now let's check if I turn off XAMPP, what will happen. Let me turn off this and this, and let's check. As you can see, this is not working, which is good for us. Now let's again install this and reload the website. Let me reload again. Let me try again, and here you can see it's working. This is how you download XAMPP on your system. Thank you for watching. I will see you on next video.
Tonight.